Welcome to Figma to Shopify Masterclass using Pagefly. So we have done until that section. So now let's move to the next section into our Figma design. So this is the section, and this type of section is actually called marquee text. That means it will scroll down and it will scroll. Those text will be scrolled. Okay. So for example, let me show you one example site so you can better understand it how this will look. So if we go to Blend Jet, one of the website, a Shopify website branded store, and if you scroll down, you can see there is some logos that are going. These are logos going just like that. So we need something like this. Instead of logo, instead of images, it should be text. Okay, so that is the only difference here. Okay, so let's see how we can add something similar to that. So for that, we'll take help of ChatGPT to generate those codes, and I will leave those codes in the description so you can just copy paste them. Okay, so I will write some prompt to get those text. Okay, so write marquee marquee text for text HTML CSS JavaScript for three text will be repeated in loop, and before each text there will be an image of a check mark. Okay, so it will give us some marquee, it will give us some HTML CSS. Okay, and as you can see, it is giving us with those so three text, as we said, it will take three text, and there will be some CSS as well, and some CSS. I think JavaScript is not required, but it is required. Clone items loop. Okay. 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 Clone those marketing is through and continuous loop. Okay. So JavaScript is for only for cloning of those items, right? So let us copy this part of the text. Okay. This is the what we are looking for. Okay. Now let's go back to Pagefly and come here. Okay, come here, and I will take a new section. So there is some uh, things has been changed for our Pagefly from last we have worked with. So I'll just take a section here and then just move this one to the top, and now we have something like this. And now we'll click on elements, and I'll go with HTML liquid and drag this here, right? So this is how it should work. And for the section, what we need to do is, you can see this is a black section, so I'll go here and click on styling, and then we'll give it a background of black, right? And then we need to click on this, and then I will just click on yes, I should go with full width. Okay, so now what we will do, we will make it, yes, we need to make it full width, right? So as you can see, okay, let's select it, and let's click on this option called no. So let's click on no. Yes, set fix with no. So now it will be full width. Now click on it and go to edit code, and then we need to paste the code here. So the code was this, so let's copy that from here. We don't need the top, so paste it here just like that. Okay, and then we need to take those CSS. So this CSS is not required, we need to just copy all the CSS code from here. Copy it, and then go to this option called custom code editor, and then just scroll down. In your case there will be blank, but for me there was some code there in the past, so I will just remove all of them for now. Okay, so I'll click on save. Now we need to click save, and then we need to publish the page to see if it is working or not. right? So let's click on save and publish. So click on the publish button or control shift s for shortcut. Okay, then it will work perfectly. Okay, now if I click the view live page, I may need to put the password. 1234 is the password. And as you can see, we will solve this issue. There is some extra section coming from the theme. So if we scroll down, there should be, but my thing for the text is in white. Text background in it is not showing. Okay, make text color white. Make text color white with css. Okay, so we need to background color. So there should be some text color. Marquee item. So set text color to white. So this is the code we need. So let's go back here and then click this button and then come here and then we need to paste it here. Okay, and now if I click save, don't remind me again, click on save, and now the page will be saved. Or we can press control shift s. Okay, now you can individually click on the publish button or control shift s. This is the update that Pagefly done recently, right? So let's click on view live page after the page got published. So click view live page. Now I think text will be showed. Okay, it's still not showing. So let's see what is happening here. So as you can see, this is the background color. If I remove the background color, it's still there is nothing. So let's see what is the issue here. Okay, it should work, but for some reason it is not working. So there is the custom html. So is there something goes? Okay, so here is the issue. We have not saved the html code. We are just worrying about that, but html code has not been saved. So let's copy it again. So the mistake I did was need to paste it and then need to click on done. Okay, need to click on done. Okay, now if I click control shift s, now the text should be showed. Okay, and there is a background color, I think, which should be removed. So let's click this custom code and I will remove this background color from here. Okay, so now control shift s. So now click on view live page, and if I scroll down, now you can see the text is scrolling, but there is many work need to be done to match it like the Figma file. So we have just made the things proper. Now let's work with the text first and the icon things. Okay, for the icon, let's click on that icon, and as you can see, this is the icon under that group, right? So what I will do, I'll click that icon and go to export and then make it into two and make it a png, and I will click on export. Okay, okay, it is when exported. Now we need to go back to our here, and then we need to have a version of it. Okay, so we can update that here. So we'll click on this element, open code editor, and then what we need to do, we need to we need to um, clone it couple of time. Okay, so for this clone, let's see if this code is will work. This javascript code. So click on a custom code, go to javascript, and then we need to control a control v, paste all of them here, click save, and then we need to click control shift s. Control shift s. Control shift s. Okay, let's click on publish to see if it is just getting repeated. Okay, with this javascript code. So let's come here. No, it is not repeating. Okay, it is not repeating the text. So what you need to do, you need to click that And then we need to first, or let's work with the image. For the image, we need to click on that, and I will go to the content and go to the files, and then we will upload files, and I will upload that check mark here. Go to downloads and upload that. Here is the check mark. So I'll upload it, and we need the link of it. Okay. So what I'll do after uploading it, we will copy the link of it. So click on copy, and now go to Pagefly. So make sure we have a tab open so we can refer back to it anytime. So click on pages, and now let's add that image, because we need a source of that image. Unless it will not work. That's why the image is missing here. Okay. If you see, it is scrolling, but the image is missing, right? Check mark is not showing. So let's open it, and now let's work them one by one. It will take some time, but it is worth learning if you want to learn how to make something similar in Pagefly. So click on it and go to add code, and then as you can see, there is the image. So in the source, we'll come between the quotation and click on Control V to paste. Okay. Same goes for the second image source. So same goes for the third image source. Okay. And after making them, make sure we click on done, unless it will not work. Now you can see perfectly check mark is showing. Now I'll click on edit code, and now we'll add the actual text from here. So first one is easy returns, right? Easy returns. So copy it, go here, and this will be easy return, right? So easy returns. Okay. Then the second one is 30-day money back guarantee. So click on it, and then scroll down for text to select it, Control V, paste it. Let's go back to the easy returns again, and then it will be easy return again. Okay. And then we need to duplicate the div once more, and come and press enter and paste the div, and go here and click on free UK delivery. Then go here and then paste it again. Then we need to do what? We need to copy these divs. Okay, whatever divs we have, right? These divs until marquee items. Click on copy, and come here before this div, and paste them again. So we have 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. So Control V to paste, and now click done. So make sure you click on done, unless it will not work. So we don't need those JavaScript. So I'll remove those JavaScript, and I will click on the section itself, and then Control Shift S to publish them in the live. So let's see if it is working properly. And if there is any white space, this will not look good. So you don't need to have any white space. And now we will work with the text size of the image. So now let's see. So I'm refreshing the page. Okay. So click on publish. I think it is already published. Okay, it is already published. So click on view live page. View live page. So click on view live page. Okay, so it should come faster, not that slow. So let's, now for another smooth, we need to click on and duplicate that 4 more times. Okay. So what we need to do is easy return, 30 days money back, easy returns, and this UK delivery. This div will copy it and come here, and before the last 2 divs we need to click enter and do paste, and then again enter and paste. So it will be 16 time. So and then click on done, and now click Control Shift S. So the white space will be removed. As you can see, after sometimes there is some white space in the right side. We want to remove that, and for that we are duplicating them. Initially it was 4, then we duplicated those 4 into another 3 times 12. Now it is currently 16 times there. So now if we check the page, now this, okay, now a issue happened is, I think I have wrongly duplicated. So that's why Okay, I think I have wrongly duplicated, so that's why this issue has been happened. So now let's click on this. There is some, I think, version history. So if we go back this version a couple of more times before, and if we click on save, this issue will be solved. So we need to careful about copy pasting things. So I'll click on Control Shift S to publish the page. So let's see how it goes. So if we check, so the now page is published, I think. So there is some loading issue.